High ping in League of Legends can significantly affect your gameplay experience. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it tends to be more reliable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities that could interfere with your game. Step 3. Change server region. Sometimes connecting to a different server region can help reduce ping. Open the League of Legends client, go to the settings, and select a server that is closer to your geographical location. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This can include changing your DNS settings to a faster DNS provider like Google DNS or OpenDNS and disabling any VPNs or proxies that may be slowing down your connection. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you continue to experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider ISP. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or offer solutions to improve your internet speed. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce your ping and enhance your gaming experience in League of Legends. Good luck on the Rift!